Hello friends, welcome to the Safety Hunts channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about hot tapping. Hot tapping is an extremely dangerous activity in an oil and gas industries. Many hazards exist with the hot tapping activity, and if the work is not properly controlled, then it may lead to dangerous situation. Let's see what is hot tapping. Hot tapping is a process that allows pipeline repair or expansion without disrupting normal operations or depressurizing the system. Hot tapping should only be considered when it is impractical or impossible to create repairs or add a new pipeline branch in any other way. Now let's see what are all the hazards related to the hot tapping. Personal injury. Skin burn, eye burn may occur by the hot surface and light radiation. Injury may occur from the spark. Overexposure to welding or flame cutting due to inadequate ventilation and inadequate PPEs. Environmental impact. Environmental impact can cause due to the accidental release of chemical, product or cargo in the pipeline, and the release of product and cargo upon the fire or explosion may also create environmental damage. Fire and explosion. Creating an ignition source in a combustible atmosphere leads to fire and explosion. Flashback caused by the reverse flow of gas through the torch and back through the hose or cylinder may also cause explosion. Use of substandard tools and equipment. Damaged and defective parts shall be replaced prior to the activity to prevent personal injury and property damage. Compressed gas cylinders shall be checked thoroughly before its usage to make sure sufficient materials are in place. Electrocution may also occur due to the usage of substandard or defective equipment. We will now see what are all the precautions or controls related to the hot tappings. First of all, we need to give TBT and training to all the people who are engaged in the hot tappings, and sufficient risk assessment to be covered so that all the risks and controls are identified. Permit to work to be taken before the activity to make sure all the operation sites are clear and we can prepare the activity. Unauthorized entry should be provided by using sufficient barricades and sufficient watch so that unnecessary people can't get in the location. Equipment inspection should be done to remove damaged or defective equipment. Ventilation and lighting to be provided during the work activities. Emergency plan to be in place to make sure what to do in case of any real life emergency like fire or explosion. Firefighting equipment shall be made available at site during the work so that the fire and other emergencies may be dealt with. Proper communication to be ensured with the control room to let them know if there is any emergency or anything we can get help from. Escapes and emergency routes are kept clear all the times so that if in case of any emergency we can make use of the routes to get to the nearest and safest assembly point. Continuous gas monitoring to be ensured to make sure all the conditions are sufficient to do the work. Suitable and adequate PPEs should be available for the job to avoid personal injuries. That's all in this video, friends. If you have any comments on what I have just said so far, you can comment me down and I will be happy to explain you back. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it to get notified every time whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.